My name is Maria Cristina Combs. I am fondly called as Mommy Combs. I've been with Staff Domain for like 2.5 years, going 3 years this June. And I'm the first compliance officer of Staff Domain. So, in my team, ako lang yung babae. Okay, so, of course, they, as yung pinakamatanda and yung the only girl or the only woman sa team. So, talagang may respeto sila sa akin. Pero nakakabiruan ko pa rin sila. So, nandun pa rin yung trabaho, and then biro. Ganun. Na susupport ng Staff Domain yung growth ko. Because I started from lead generation and then I applied for compliance officer and then got promoted.
Yes, I'm so privileged na I get to work and at the same time be a mother at home. Yun. So, nababalance ko naman siya. Siguro when you see your kids na happy naman sila or yung alam mo yun, yung masaya kami, nagbabanding, yun. Very fulfilling yung feeling na gano'n. Na wala kaming problema, yung gano'n, na ma-manage namin. Okay, so, my mother kasi started from scratch or maaga siyang naging orphan kasi nga during that time World War II, okay, so maagang pumanaw yung parents niya, so hard life. So pagdating sa amin, so talagang tinuruan niya kaming maging matipid, ganon, mag-work, and then I'm grateful to her kasi she taught me everything. Like, yung pagiging masinop, and then also sa bahay, yung mga how to do household chores, ganun. Kasi it's really important for a woman to do those things. Although hindi ako magaling magluto. Okay, so for me, being a woman, siguro parang symbol ng siguro dito yung pumapasok yung ilaw ng tahanan. As a woman, you don't have to limit yourself. Parang iniisip kasi nung iba, porket, ay babae ako, ito lang yung kaya ko. Okay, so, kailangan sa panahon ngayon, kailangan lumevel up tayo. Okay, so, let's work hard.